I'm about to save you $500 a month. Struggling with SEO optimization? Let's fix that. In the next 9 minutes, you're going to discover a powerful, cost-effective way to boost your SEO performance like never before. I'm handing you the keys to a tool that'll help you rank higher, attract more traffic, and convert more leads. Stay tuned. Imagine an increase in your organic traffic by up to 30%. It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Businesses who used RankBrain Pro reported a 30% increase in their organic traffic within just 3 months. That's the power of intelligent SEO optimization. I bet you're feeling a tad frustrated. You've tried it all: keyword research, regular content updates, backlinks. But you're still not seeing the results you want. Your SEO needs a boost, but how can you do it without shelling out big bucks for some fancy SEO consultant? That's where RankBrain Pro steps in, a 24/7 SEO assistant that learns and improves your ranking strategy without you having to lift a finger. And the best part, it's way cheaper than hiring a consultant. The first step to using RankBrain Pro is to set up an account. It's a simple process. Plug in your details, link up your website, and you're ready to roll. Once you're logged in, RankBrain Pro will start analyzing your website and your competitors. It'll identify gaps in your SEO and provide you with actionable insights. Next, it gives you a tailored SEO strategy. No guesswork, no vague advice. RankBrain Pro tells you exactly what to do. It'll provide you with a list of keywords that you're ranking for, and others that you should be aiming for. You'll also get detailed suggestions on how to optimize your web pages, your meta descriptions, and your links. Then, it's time to put those insights into action. Make the recommended tweaks to your website, add the new keywords, and watch your rankings climb. But remember, SEO isn't an overnight thing. It takes time, but with RankBrain Pro, you're on the fast track. Finally, RankBrain Pro keeps you in the loop. You'll get weekly reports on your SEO performance so you can see the impact of your efforts. You'll also get alerts if something drastic changes, like a sudden drop in your rankings. So there you have it. RankBrain Pro, an intelligent SEO assistant that does more than just help you rank higher. It saves you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. And remember, I promise to save you $500 a month. Well, RankBrain Pro costs less than $100 a month. That's a whole lot of savings and a whole lot of value. All it takes is a few minutes to set up, and RankBrain Pro will take care of the rest. So head over to their website and give it a try. Trust me, you won't regret it. Up next, we're going to delve deeper into the world of SEO. We'll take a look at how to optimize your site for voice search, a game changer in the SEO world. Till then, happy optimizing.